Be ready. Start. But if a police officer transgresses the circumscribed limits and improperly and illegally exercises his investigatory powers in breach of any statutory provision causing serious prejudice to the personal liberty and also property of a citizen, stop. Then the court, on being approached by the person aggrieved for the redress of any grievance, has to consider the nature and extent of the breach and pass appropriate orders as may be called for without leaving the citizens to the mercy of police echelons, since human dignity is a dear value of our constitution. Stop. No one can demand absolute immunity even if he is wrong and claim unquestionable right and unlimited powers exercisable up to profoundable space. Stop. Any recognition of power which no authority on earth can enjoy. Stop. The view of the High Court that the non-filing of a written statement by a competent authority of the state government by way of reply to the averments in the writ petition was serious flaw on the part of the appellants, and as such the averments of respondent number 1 should be held as having disproved the entire crimination alleged in the FIR is neither conceivable nor comprehensible. Stop. It is true that some of the allegations do suffer from misty vagueness and lack of particulars. Stop. Further, there are no specific averments that either respondent number 1 or his relations and friends had no source of income to accumulate the properties now standing in their names, and that respondent number 1 showed any favor to them by misusing his official position. Stanza. These are all matters which would be examined only during the course of investigation and thereafter by the court on the material collected and placed before it by the investigating agencies. Stop. The question whether the relations and friends of respondent number 1 have independently purchased the properties out of their own funds or not also cannot be decided by the court at this stage on the denial statement of respondent number 1. Stanza. In the exercise of the extraordinary power under Article 226 or the inherent powers under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the following categories of cases are given by way of illustration wherein such power could be exercised either to prevent abuse of the process of any court or otherwise to secure the ends of justice, though it may not be possible to lay down any precise, clearly defined and sufficiently channelized and inflexible guide. Full stop. Over.